Okay, it may not seem like it or feel like it outside, but spring is on the way, despite being minus 30 again today. But it's time to start thinking about getting these machines here ready. So we picked up a new front diff. Kieran had a little incident in fall and front diff finally let go on this thing. It's got just over 6,000 kilometers. I've done 3 rear diffs on this thing, and this is the first time now the front diff decided to pack it in and call it quits. So we've got a good used diff here. This is Kieran's machine, so he's gonna do the work, and we got a few other mods coming for this race season, so stay tuned. We'll show you what this diff looks like when they're grenaded. It's gonna be cool. Let's get that thing out of there.
Not come out, and it is on the right way.
Remove the front calipers.
180 or something, like probably more. This is there as well.
So, show everybody, you want to inspect your brakes when you're making it this far. What do your brakes look like?
There's more grass than anything else here.
More grass than brakes?
Yep.
It's because you're always in the mud. Hey, at least we caught it before it was metal on metal this time. This one's pretty much gone. Some new brakes.
Okay, what's next, Dad?
Grab from the end and give it a good one solid pop. See if it pops out. These can be fun. There you go. Now repeat the process on the other side.
Gap here? Let me see that.
So we discovered it may have been more than just the front diff, or maybe not the front diff at all. So here's our slip yoke.
I don't think it's supposed to do that. How about you?
As we were driving in 4-wheel drive, it sounded like metal on metal grindage. I'm guessing under pressure. This was probably slipping in here.
Oh.
So.
It looks so flattened. Aren't those supposed to be teeth there?
They're supposed to be teeth, yep, and they're all rounded because it's been slipping in there. So now we're buying you a front drive shaft.
Oh. That's not good.
What do we say? It's just money. It's just money. Okay, well, let's get the diff out anyways and inspect it.
Just money and a lot of it?
So now we gotta undo one bolt here, and then we'll slide this whole diff out.
Oh yeah, rock. Pry bar here, wrench, lighting. See, bungee right here.
Oh yeah, that's all loose. Oh wow. Okay.
Let's go. It actually has enough power.
There it is. So I retract my earlier statement. I have yet to ever do a CanAm front diff. There's nothing wrong with the front diff. This was our issue. See how worn out these first few threads are?
Yeah.
Compared to how thick the back ones are. And where's this piece? This is supposed to come off here yet. So that was your grinding sound. That's why it sometimes kind of worked and sometimes it didn't. Okay, so fast forward ahead, I went and put the front diff all back together. New diff is in there. New front drive shaft. But I learned something about these CanAms. This shaft just sits in between here. It can slip in this cup and it can slip in this cup. All that holds it on here is these clamps and the boots. So as you can see here, this front clamp, I didn't put it on properly. It wasn't far enough up and it popped off. So now this can actually slide all the way back and it can pop out of here, which is what it did on our first test drive. So now I'm going to take this clamp off, put this back on here, and recrimp it properly, because that's all that holds this in here. Clamp is in position. You have to get yourself these special pliers that go around here, and they should crimp it nicely. Now this can move a little bit, but it won't pop off. There we go. We've got Kieran's machine back together. New drive shafts in, new diffs in. He's gonna go take it for a rip in the snow and make sure the four-wheel drive is working. So let's recap. What did we learn here? Don't jump the gun. Don't assume because it's a CanAm you just blew a diff. Very common actually on these CanAms is to strip the front drive shaft. And that is way cheaper than the front diff. So next time, take a look at that. You got a growling, terrible sound in the front end, four-wheel drive's not working. Check your drive shaft. Okay. If you like this video or want to check out some of our other videos, we are on a journey to 1,000 subscribers right now, so that I can buy my wife a brand new dirt bike. I'll leave a link in the description to our video from last summer where I wrecked my wife's dirt bike. And I told her when we got to 1,000 subscribers that I'd buy her a brand spanking new one. So let's go. Hit subscribe, follow along, and stay tuned for the dirt bike video. Thank you.